everyone. I am Captain America. I wear my shield to protect people and fight for what is right. Teamwork is very important, and I always work with my friends together to keep our city safe. I believe in being brave and helping others when they need it. It's important to stand up for what is right. Being kind makes us all heroes. Remember, you can be a hero too. Let's work together to make the world a better place. Thank you for listening. Happy Children's Day.